Forgot 4x4 save you off-road cheap truck driving and maneuver the 8x8 wheel Russian centipede truck on the subway road. This ATV Aviator's Shaman has top speed of 50 mph like an asphalt truck and can climb at 45 on the big rocks, drive through the thick mud on sloppy terrains and sleepy hill road. This ambitious vessel has powerful revered up the engine with 160 horsepower asphalt monster truck on traverse anything with great suspensions. Latest invention on the big Euro truck lets you enjoy the off-road racing experience with heavy machinery like mountain trucks. Relish master driving on the world's most difficult survey road terminates under the extreme conditions, become a real off-road driver and a gigantic vessel with it is 8 trees. Its huge open world environment. Enjoy the interactive gameplay like the impossible car that can run underwater on mountains top, bumpy trucks and the different roads on the mountains, rocks, beautiful scenes here like beauty of the roads and mountainy on the run on the big rocks on the run on the big greenery here and the big high class jumping here is nicely to the beautiful scenes and truck is going and the high wheels on beautiful destinations. It is nicely to see in the truck with the beautiful roads and rides and it is a very high class and security level track and the Russians high class 4x4. It can also run on the mountain. This beautiful scenery is wow good. Now the reverse the track and now going on the destination again. Wow, it is nicely to reversing and on the destinations and we are looking forward to their destinations again and again. Happy now that we are surely to that different scenes and different simulations here. It is also the game here and nicely to the reversing the trucks again and again. Happy to now the beautiful roads and rides and we are looking to the wow, it is nicely to high speed on their destinations and also come to the destination and again we are run to their destinations and we are following here and we are looking to their destinations. It is nicely to see the beautiful roads again and again. Happy to now the we are forwarding to their destinations and it is nicely to see the run their roads on the looking forward positions. It is really good driving to you on the hill roads like the Himachals, like the Himalaya, like the Switzerland's mountains. Is beautiful for there the exploring the beautiful scenes of the lovely nature. We are looking again on their destination. It is fastly speed now going and we are look there forward to their destinations and again. So the travel is very nicely to see the beautiful scene and now the reversing the track again. Now back we are on the destination. It is really to where wow it is against the trees is to there again but sometime it is nicely to see you are looking forward to the destinations again and again to happy now the beautiful scenes again. You are the looking forward to have a different scenes and I have a really well experience there and the truck is going again and again on their destinations. Beautiful scenes here and the reversing the trucks and very speedily on the running on the mountains and high class and during here and high element the also is running on the mud mud is really unwell for the trucks on the big rulers and the big tires of the truck, and it is reversing on their position where we can complete our the destinations again and again. Reversing here, it is nicely to see the beautiful tires and the security team on their destinations. We are looking and again to happy to know that it is nicely to see again and again. You are looking forward to destinations again. Wow, it is nicely to see. Wow, the turning point is now. Thank you for our watching. Thanks for my viewers. Subscribe my channel. It is nicely to good to see you enjoy our journey. Thanks.